I'm going to switch over to a particular project where I can create proofs. So for those of you that don't know a lot about our system, our proofing solution was one of the very first in the industry, if not the first, that was invented by the company's founders to create an audit trail to make sure that everything that you create has proof that it was reviewed. It has the correct information, the right branding, all of that stuff. And the traditional way of doing that is by coming in, and I've already uploaded an asset to this proof. I could add more assets if I wanted to. But the traditional way of doing this is by creating routes and going in and adding people to look at your proofs. And this can take a lot of time. And like Jamie was saying, it's not enough anymore to force this process on people because if I'm just crafting a quick email, I'm probably not going to sit here and think about needing to send this to my head copywriter or my head graphic designer or the chief marketing officer or the legal team. I'm just trying to send an email, right? But what this is now allowing you to do is very quickly get feedback using the expertise of those people that is fed into our system, and an AI will review this and very quickly give you the information. So if I have created this proof, I can very quickly now jump over and see that it was reviewed by our AI teammates. And what you're seeing is all of this markup is what the system has deemed important to let you know about. So I created a very, very bad patient portal flyer so that it would have lots and lots of markup on it. And I purposefully added this guy's face this way. I'm not that bad of a designer, don't worry. But I I did this to show you it's not tagged, it's not marked up, it's not doesn't have a bounding box around it. And the reason for that is because when you set up your account, you have the ability to create skills that you can turn off and on. And so I have turned off looking at image quality, and it basically didn't mark it because I turned it off. And I could turn these things on and off at a whim. I could do it per review if I wanted to. So like if this isn't an email, I don't need it to review it for email footer regulations, right? Which I didn't. But you can see over here that it's analyzed it and it's looking at everything from unverified claims and giving me suggested fixes for this. And again, if I'm the one that created this flyer, I got this feedback immediately. I'm not going to send these errors downfield for my legal team to review. They got caught early. And if I correct those and fix them before the downstream teammates that I have see this, I've saved a ton of time. And I haven't wasted their time with silly mistakes that they were going to call out anyway. It's looked at branding, it's looked at unverified claims. It found this placeholder that I forgot to replace the QR code with. But the important thing here is if I scroll further down and see all of the problems with this, you can also see that, well, what if I wanted a human being involved right alongside here? And so I was able to actually come in here and mark this up as well. And so you can see my actual markup here too. So you can add these AI reviewers at the beginning and have them analyze stuff. You can add them right alongside human reviewers so that human reviewers can come in and say, I agree with this. Or they can say, I don't agree with this. Don't do this. Or you can have the AI reviewers come in at the very end and maybe try to catch things that all the humans missed. It really matters about how your organization already works.